So we at NTU are learning today about sequencing, and specifically we are using MiSeq sequencing machine. And from my personal experience, I must say this is a very sophisticated technique. It's not a technique that is given for everyone, but if you have the opportunity to learn it, it's very important that you acquire that. So I would say that our NTU students are being trained on a technology that if they acquire just that, they'll be good for a long time for the job market to be able to contribute in many ways.
It's basically going to heat up our DNA and then pull it back down again and then heat it up again so that it can pull it apart. So we're trying to cut our DNA up so we can add a label to it to be able to find out what kind of genetic makeup is inside these bacteria that we took DNA from.
The technology itself is very important, and we are giving our students already something we think they can use in the future to provide people with, the genealogy trees, where they belong to, where they think they came from, where they originated from. That can also be achieved. We can do several things, but we prioritize teaching our students year in, year out with the technology that we have acquired today and be able to transmit that to all the future generations for our NTU students.